For years, I thought my job defined me. It was my proof of doing enough, providing, and surviving. But deep down, I was so exhausted from trading precious time for a paycheck and missing life's meaningful moments with my kids. But when I discovered that my job was just one of the potential income streams, everything changed. I stopped waiting for perfect time and just dedicated 1 to 2 hours a day building something on the side. So stay with me. I will reveal the same exact system that I followed along with thousands of others to start earning an income online without quitting your job. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to get started, even if you're busy, even if you're completely new to this. And I know what you might be thinking. Will this actually work for someone like me? Well, instead of just telling you, let me show you with a story that truly inspired me. This is a story of a single mom who worked 2 jobs a day just to survive and who finally said enough. She found this exact system, followed the simple steps, and now she is home with her kids full time while earning online on her own schedule. And the best part, she did it without quitting her job to start.
What my life was going to look like. I was 19 months ago, I've been in this program, but for many years I struggled. I was a single mom. I was working literally 18 hours a day, over 70 hours a week for 3 years straight. I didn't know I was looking for this when I found it because my daughter put me on TikTok. I had no social media. I had no experience in anything, right? I was too busy. So when I came across Michelle's video and she was talking about fitting this in a few hours every day, I thought, okay, maybe, but I don't have any skills. I don't know anything about any of this stuff. So I just had to really plug in and start learning. I just followed the program. I just followed it to a T. Whatever that 5-minute video told me to do, I did it, right? 30 minutes here, 20 minutes here, 45 minutes here throughout my day. And in just 10 weeks, I had learned and earned enough that I quit. And you may not know that right this minute, but I'm telling you, this could be exactly what you want. And I know for me it was. It gave me my time back. It has, in 19 months, it has earned me multiple 6 figures. I have over 13 streams of income. This is longevity. This isn't jump in real quick and get out. No, you're going to learn the skills to keep lining your bank account and enjoy your life at the same time, which many of us have never had that opportunity.
So what exactly is the system? Well, if you are a visual learner like me and you want to see how this business actually works behind the scene, be sure to check out the free class in the link below. It will walk you through the full strategy, and it's what I wish I'd known years ago. Now let's get back to it. See, everything changed when I discovered digital marketing with Master Resell Rights and a done-for-you system that helped me earn while working my 9 to 5. See, digital marketing is simply learning how to promote and sell products online. And the powerful part is the Master Resell Right. You don't have to create any product yourself. You can get access to high-value course and license to sell it and keep 100% profit. And what blew me away, how simple it is to get started. Here's what you get inside the system. You get access to the step-by-step training that walks you through everything. A professionally designed website done for you. And with automated email follow-up sequence, a full sales process already built and working, plus live interactive mentorship. So that way you'll never feel alone doing this. So there's no tech overwhelm, no expensive tools, no chasing friends or family, just a system that allows you to learn and earn on your own time around your work schedule, around your family life. And if this is something that you have been looking for and you're ready to take the next step, make sure you go to the link below, grab our Freedom Formula Blueprint. is the exact step-by-steps that we follow to go from zero to earning online. And I know you just heard a story of a single mom, but wait to hear a story of this grandma from Canada who was worried about retiring broke. She found the same exact system, and today she's created multiple streams of income online from home with no tech experience, no social media fame, just a proven system with the willingness to start.
But 8 years ago, I became a grandma for the first time. Prior to that, my whole life, and many of you probably are in the same boat, because we were taught work hard, make the necessary sacrifices to provide for our family, and we did. We needed double incomes, so I worked. And, missed out on, sadly, some milestones in my kid's life because I was working. And you know what? You just think, well, that's just part of life. That's what you have to do. And back then, honestly, that's what you had to do. There were no options like we have today. Today, there's so many more options, which is fabulous. But when I became a grandma, I said to my husband, I don't want to miss any more of those milestones, not with my grandkids. You know what? It's like having a do-over almost when you become a grandma. And I was like, so then I was desperate. I'm like, I have to find another way to create an income. We still needed money for retirement. We got our financial act together late. So we still needed income. There was no like, that's it. I've quit. I'm going to stay home. It wasn't an option, right? So that led me to doing home parties, multi-level marketing, network marketing, selling insurance, like you name it, I tried it. And I actually finally started making a little bit of money with affiliate marketing. And I was like, okay, I finally found something to work. I found money. 25% commission is 25% commission. But to me, it was like exciting because I was making money. Then I came across Michelle, and yes, on TikTok. And I saw her saying about this 100% profit. And I was like, hey, what is she talking about? Like, what is this? So I looked into it more, just like you guys are here today looking into it more. And I was like, oh my goodness. I could do the exact same things I'm doing with affiliate marketing and make 100% instead of 25%. So literally, like, I can't even believe it. It's been 8.5 months. My life has radically flipped upside down. And I'm telling you, flipped upside down from going short to retirement to probably working till I was 80 because needing that income to being retired in 8 months. Crazy. Yeah, I know it's like, yay. I can't. I know it sounds hard to believe. I understand that. I'm going to show you right now from my phone today alone. Can everybody see my phone? I don't know. It's probably backwards. You see that money? Today. And it's only 12:30 up here in Ontario, Canada. Today, right? I have now made, I like to say this, it sounds better, $500,000 than 500,000. Either way, I'll take it, right? Like, and when you find something that works, I just shout it from the rooftop, because if my life can change, why can't yours?
Okay, so now that you've seen what's possible, don't stop here. The real magic happens when you see real people in our community averaging $900 days by working just a few hours a day using this exact system. So in the next video, I'm going to walk you through how they're doing it step by step. And if you pair it with what you learned here, everything will start to make sense. So go watch it now. You don't want to miss it, and I'll see you in the next one.